These children are learning Cambodia's famed Khmer classical dance, performed to traditional music. Well known for its graceful hand gestures and stunning costumes, the 1,000-year-old art form is facing an existential threat. Enrollment in the Secondary School of Fine Arts in Phnom Penh is falling, and many entrants do not complete the grueling 9-year curriculum. Cambodia's classical art form was declared an intangible cultural heritage in 2003 by UNESCO. But the art form had barely survived Cambodia's genocidal Khmer Rouge regime in the 1970s, after its practitioners were killed. They were among the estimated 2 million who were murdered or died of starvation, illness, or overwork during the regime's less than 4 years in power. The dance form now faces a new threat from a changing media and entertainment landscape, limited funding, and economic challenges. Also known as Cambodia's Royal Ballet, classical dance performances were originally mounted for court occasions, such as coronations or marriages. It was first introduced to an international audience in colonial power, France, in 1906. Pupils attend dance classes in the mornings and follow the standard school curriculum in the afternoons. This year, 39 8-year-olds registered, a little more than half the usual number. Teachers who closely monitor the students are hopeful that the waning art form will be preserved. A few weeks into the course, the new entrants are taught the process to properly bend their hands, legs, and bodies. Tuition is free, but it has slashed the accommodation available to students, and trainers expect many to drop out in the face of educational demands and financial pressures on their families. Despite these challenges, the teachers continue to train the students, hoping to preserve the art form. The teachers say they remind the students not to forget their unique Cambodian identity. However, in the modern age, when everything is easily accessible online, some students leverage the power of social media to promote their art. 18-year-old Tola Thina is in her final year at the school and often posts her performances on Facebook, where she has more than 20,000 followers.